Hi there! Want to expand your business to new heights? Learn how each of our IT infrastructure services will help you do so.
Our cloud infrastructure service offers agility, disaster recovery, and access to advanced technology feat allowing businesses to scale efficiently.
We provide high-quality IT support for end users and resolve issues on time, facilitating business credibility.
Our DevOps consulting improves software development and IT operations through continuous integration and automation, enabling business growth.
Maintain your system with our services to address issues proactively and prevent downtime, aiding in business operation management.
We design and maintain robust network architectures and implement advanced security, which helps in strengthening business continuity.
Robust security services to secure your IT infrastructure with security protocols and measures for streamlined business expansion.
Partner with us to transform your IT landscape today.